Open your Store One dashboard and click on Frequently Bought Together Configure button. Enable the Frequently Bought Together addon. This addon helps you display related products together. In the Settings tab, first set the rule status and give your offer a name. Then, use the product search field to select the products you want to include in the bundle. You can choose the trigger type to control where the offer appears and use the exclusion options to hide it for specific products, categories, tags, or sale items. Next, move to the User Condition tab. Here, you can decide who can see the offer. You can display it for all users, selected roles, or specific users. If needed, you can also exclude particular users or user roles from seeing the bundle. Now open the Display Page tab. From here, choose the placement of the Frequently Bought Together section on the product page and set its display priority. You can customize the bundle title, price label, selection messages, and the Add All to Cart button text to match your store's requirements. Finally, go to the Design tab. Here, you can customize the appearance of the bundle section, including background colors, title colors, borders, product text colors, checkbox styling, and icon colors. These settings allow you to match the offer section with your store's design. The preview area, you can see 3 different layout styles available for the Frequently Bought Together section: grid, equation, and list view. This helps customers quickly discover related products and increases the chances of higher value purchases. After all, save the changes and open your site. On the website preview, the Frequently Bought Together section displays the products selected in the bundle along with their individual prices, total bundle cost, and the Add All to Cart button. As you change the layout style or customize the design settings, the updates are instantly reflected in the preview. Customers can easily review and select related products. Thank you for watching the documentation walkthrough.